Welcome back. Today we are looking at the MCHOSE G98 PRO Wireless Mechanical Keyboard Tri-Mode Connection Review 2026. The MCHOSE G98 PRO Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is a 2026 powerhouse designed for gamers, programmers, and mechanical keyboard enthusiasts who seek both performance and aesthetics. Boasting a tri-mode connection, hot-swappable keys, and a custom gasket structure, this keyboard delivers an unrivaled typing and gaming experience. Whether you prefer wireless freedom or the reliability of a wired connection, the G98 PRO adapts seamlessly to your needs, all while flaunting a visually stunning RGB LED backlit design that elevates any setup. The G98 PRO is packed with premium features that make it a top choice for any mechanical keyboard lover. Here's what sets it apart: the MCHOSE G98 PRO excels in both typing and gaming performance. The hot-swappable linear switches offer smooth and precise keystrokes, ideal for high-speed gaming and prolonged typing sessions. The gasket-mounted design dampens keystroke noise, providing a quieter experience than many mechanical keyboards on the market. Whether you're in an intense FPS match or coding for hours, the G98 PRO ensures consistency and comfort. Connectivity is another highlight. Switching between Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired mode is seamless, offering flexibility for different environments. The 2.4 GHz wireless mode provides low latency, ideal for competitive gaming, while Bluetooth is perfect for a clutter-free desk. Wired USB-C mode ensures maximum reliability and charging at the same time. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and fully customizable, allowing you to create dynamic lighting effects or static color patterns. Coupled with the gradient black finish, this keyboard adds a premium aesthetic to any setup. The double-shot PBT keycaps are textured, providing excellent grip and durability, ensuring the keyboard maintains its high-quality feel even after prolonged use. Gaming on the G98 PRO is a pleasure. The preloop linear switches provide smooth actuation without excessive resistance, making rapid key presses effortless. The keyboard's stability is enhanced by its non-slip feet and balanced weight distribution, ensuring it stays in place during intense gaming sessions. Additionally, its compact layout frees up desk space while retaining all essential keys, making it suitable for both home and competitive gaming setups. Yes, this keyboard supports both Windows and Mac OS. You may need to customize key mappings for optimal functionality on Mac. Absolutely. The G98 PRO features hot-swappable switches, allowing you to replace or upgrade switches without soldering. Battery life depends on usage and lighting settings. In general, the 2.4 GHz wireless mode can last several days on a full charge with moderate RGB lighting. While the keyboard does not have dedicated macro keys, you can assign key combinations and shortcuts through third-party software. Yes, the custom gasket-mounted structure and ergonomic design ensure comfort during extended typing or gaming periods. The MCHOSE G98 PRO Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is an outstanding option for anyone seeking a versatile, high-performance keyboard in 2026. Its tri-mode connectivity, hot-swappable preloop linear switches, and durable double-shot PBT keycaps make it perfect for both gamers and productivity enthusiasts. The RGB gradient lighting and compact ergonomic design add both style and comfort, enhancing any setup. If you are looking for a reliable, high-quality mechanical keyboard that adapts to your gaming and typing needs while offering premium aesthetics, the G98 PRO is a perfect choice. Its innovative features and exceptional build quality make it a long-term investment for any mechanical keyboard aficionado. Check the link in the description to get yours today.